guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Expedition 33 crashing, launching, or not launching, and like it's just stuck on a black screen. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to Steam. From Steam, right click on Expedition 33 once you find it. Under your library, hit manage or hit properties, go over to installed files, and then go ahead and select verify integrity of game files, and this will basically just check if there are any corrupt files, and it will fix that issue. Now once you're done with that, that is the first method in fixing the issue. The second thing you guys can do is open up the search bar, type in device manager. From the device manager, you can go ahead and make your way over to display adapters, right click on your driver, hit update drivers, and then go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Now this is one way to update your drivers. Another way is if you are on NVIDIA, you can go ahead and go over to GeForce Experience. From GeForce Experience, make your way over to drivers. And if you're on AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app, or you can just manually install it through Google. But I recommend is using the apps because it's more easier and simpler. But anyways, go over to drivers. From drivers, make your way over to check for updates, and if you have any updates it will say so, and go ahead and install them if you do, and if you don't it will be like a check, and it should say you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And I highly recommend restarting your PC after doing all of this as well. Now once you're done with all of this, you guys are good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.